Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mitesh Gala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
This video we are beginning with rectilinear figures. Very interesting topic, very simple topic. You will rather enjoy this topic. This is exercise 14a. So before we get into rectilinear figures, let us understand the few basics about rectilinear figures. Rectilinear means anything which has straight lines. Rectilinear which has straight line. Linear means straight. Okay, and figures. These are plane figures, that means all two dimensional. They are not three dimensional. But minimum three sides is what you need, because with two sides you can't get a closed figure. Okay, so I repeat the entire definition of rectilinear figures. Rectilinear figures are those closed figures which have three or more than three sides. We call all these figures as polygons, and then we have special names for these polygons. We already know three-sided figure is triangle, four-sided quadrilateral, five-sided pentagon, six hexagon, seven is heptagon or septagon. This year in boards they gave one question where they had to write heptagon, and many children did not know it. And the last one right now we are studying is eight-sided octagon. 9 onwards also is there, but right now till 8 is enough for us. Two terms you need to remember: regular, irregular. If they say regular polygon, that means all sides of that polygon and all angles of that polygon are equal. I am repeating it. If they say regular, then all sides and all angles of that polygon are equal. For example, if they say regular octagon, that means all these sides are equal and all the angles here inside also are equal. Are you getting it? But if they say irregular, that means the sides and the angles are not equal. As in this case pentagon, you can clearly see these angles are almost like 90 degrees and these are greater than 90. So this is an irregular polygon. Are you getting it? So any polygon, any octagon, any type of a diagram that you are drawing can be regular or irregular. If it is regular, that means everything is same. If it is irregular, then everything is not same. Something may be same, not same, but everything is not same altogether. Is that clear in our head? Okay. Two more concepts. If we are clear with these two concepts now, you will be able to tackle your first exercise. So the first concept is called as interior angles and the second one is called as exterior angle. So let us understand from the point of view of a triangle. So these are the three interior angles and exterior angles. The rule is whatever the number of interior angles, the same will be the number of exterior angles, the same will be the number of sides. All three are going to be same. For example, three sides, three interior angles, and these three will be the exterior angle. You can take either clockwise or anti-clockwise, then it would be the other side and those three. Don't take all 3 plus 3 6. Is that clear? So first thing interior, second thing exterior. Now the total of all the three interior angles in a triangle, how much? We already know it is 180. How about quadrilateral? 360. These two we know. How about pentagon? What will be the total of all the five interior angles? What about octagon? So there is a formula which helps us. So sum of all interior angles 2n minus 4 into 90. What is the formula? 2n minus 4 into 90. Likewise, sum of all exterior angles is always 360. Now 360 in which one? 360 in all the cases. Whether it is triangle or whether it is octagon or whether it is a polygon with 12 sides or 20 sides, the exterior angle ka total will always remain 360. It will never change. Interior angle ka total will keep on changing as the number of sides go up. Is that clear? So interior will change, exterior will never change. Interior 2n minus 4 into 90. Exterior 360. How will I get each interior angle? So each interior angle, if I want each, then it will be 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. That means n is the number of sides. So when I divide by the number of sides, I will get each interior angle. Likewise, how will I get each exterior angle? So common sense, 360 by n. 360 is the total of all, divided by the number of sides. Why number of sides? Because number of sides is equal to the number of exterior angles, or number of sides is equal to the number of interior angles. So when you divide, you get each. And then there is a relationship between these two. Can you look at this? Interior and exterior. What is the relationship here between the interior and exterior angle? So each interior angle plus each exterior angle, the total always is 180. Whether it is triangle, pentagon, heptagon, octagon, anything. Let's look for hexagon. So this is the interior angle, this is the exterior angle. The total is how much? 180. The total for interior and exterior, one interior plus one exterior, will always remain 180. So I want you to remember three things over here. Number one, sum of all interior angles 2n minus 4 into 90. Sum of all exterior angles 360. And interior plus exterior is 180. If you want to find each, then divide by n. Am I very clear with this basic data? Everybody? Super. I want everyone to try sum number 1. On your own, try it. I am pretty sure you will manage to get it. It says sum of interior angles is 4 times the sum of exterior angles. So your separator is here. Remember, simultaneous, the separator is means equals to. Sum of interior angles. So interior angles is 2n minus 4 into 90 is 4 times the sum of exterior angles. So exterior angle is always 360. Solve, you will be able to calculate the value of n. Isn't it very simple? Yes. Come on, try it. Now at least stop copying. Come on, go ahead and get me the answer. So I can cancel this over here. 9 1s are 9 4s are. So the life becomes easier. So 2n minus 4, 4 4s are 16. So 2n, 4 goes on the other side 20. So the value of n is 10. So therefore number of sides is equal to 10. Was this really simple? The entire exercise is simple, trust me, you don't even need to copy. So avoid that. I am repeating this every time, please don't copy. Everyone, sum number 3, come on, hit it. This is 6-sided polygon. So 6-sided polygon, that means the number of interior angles are 60, number of exterior angles are 60 and number of sides are 6. 6. Number of interior, number of exterior, number of sides, all are 6. One angle is 140 and other angles are equal. How many angles we said? 6. 1 is 140. How many left? 5. We will call each of these remaining 5 angles as x. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus 140 will be the total of all the interior angles. What is the total of interior angle? Formula 2n minus 4 into 90. Write these 3 formulae on your screen or on your softboard, this entire part. So whenever you want, or rather the picture of this entire thing, put it on the softboard by the time you do this chapter, and the life will become very simple. So come on, hit it. So you say let each equal angle be x. Therefore 140 is the first angle and remaining angles are 5 into x is equal to the total of all the angles, which is 2n minus 4 into 90. Are you with me till here? Come on. If you are with me till here, that means you are still copying. Stop. Come on, try on your own. So 140, 5x. Here I will get 180n minus 360. So I can substitute n over here because the number of sides are 6. So we should have substituted it here only. Our life would have been easier. So 140 plus 5x, 180 into 6 minus 360. Now we've actually increased our number of steps because I did not substitute 6 over here. Had I substituted 6, 6 2s are 12 minus 4, 8, 8 into 9, 720, straight away I would have got, instead of doing all this janjat. So 5x, 720 minus 140, that is going to be how much? 580, 680, 720. So x is 580 upon 5. So 5 1s are, 5 1s are and 5 6 are. So you can say therefore each equal angle is equal to 116 degrees. Please put the degree symbol. Is that clear everybody? Simple. Exactly same is sum number 5. Come on, hit it everybody. 3 angles, 7-sided polygon, that means number of interior angles are 7. Each angle is 130 and remaining 4 are equal. So let each be x. So 4 into x, 4x plus 132 into 3. That will be the total of all the 7, and total of all the 7, apply the formula. Come on, begin. Pause. So let each equal angle be x degrees. So therefore 132 into 3, because 3 angles, 4 into x is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. Now we shall substitute n as 7, don't forget that. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, and 4x equals to 2 into 7 minus 4 into 90. So I get 396 plus 4x. 7 2s are 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 into 90 is 900. So 4x 396 goes on the other side. So I should get 504. 5 plus 3 8 and 1 900. So x becomes 504 by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 6. So each equal angle, therefore each equal angle is equal to 126. Isn't this really simple? Are you getting most of the sums? Brilliant. Not by copying, on your own. Sum number 7. How many parents sitting next to their children while they are doing this? Thank you so much for helping your kids and me as well. Alright, now sum number 7 onwards we have to think. So let's see how can we think. Pentagon, so 5-sided figure, and they say AB is parallel to DC, so you have to draw the figure. Pause the video, draw the figure on your own, and let's see how many of you can draw it correct. Now that you are back, let's see. AB and CD is parallel to AB, so I'm drawing it this way. So AB and CD both parallel. Pentagon, so 5-sided, so I drew the 5th side as point E. Yeah, because I switched off the fan and the AC, because the volume otherwise becomes a disturbance. So slightly sweating, sorry. AB parallel to CD. AED 3 4 5. So whenever you see the ratio in any subject, any topic, you should write let the common multiple be x. Let the common multiple be x. So therefore angle A becomes 3x, E becomes 4x, and D becomes 5x. So A is 3x, E is 4x, and D is 5x. What about these two angles? Any clue? B and C? Yeah, I've given you the hint. Come on, start thinking. So I will say AB parallel to CD. Therefore angle B plus C will be equal to 180, because they form, not linear pair, interior angles, remote interior angles. So this plus this is 180. So did we manage to get all 5 angles in some term at least? And then the total of all the 5 angles, you know the formula. Come on, apply it. So angle A plus B, C, D and E is 2n minus 4 into 90. That is the sum of all the interior angles. So A we said is 3x, B plus C together is 180, D 5x and E 4x. Total 2 into 5 minus 4, because 5-sided figure, pentagon, so I am putting n as 5. Come on, hit it. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12x plus 180. 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 6 into 9, 540. So I get 12x, 540 minus 180. So how much will be that? 360. So my x becomes what? 360 by 12, that is 30. X is not my target. My target is find E. So therefore angle E, how much is that? 4x. So 4 into 30, 120 degrees. How many of you all managed to get this honestly on their own? Give a pat to yourself. Good job, guys. Let's go with the next one. You need to be proud of yourself that you are able to solve it. So that will gain confidence for you. Sum number 8. If you are able to do this sum without my help right now, pausing the video, I genuinely applaud you then. Let's see who gets it, because the diagram is most tricky. So once you get the diagram, come back, check your diagram, then go ahead. Otherwise you will mess up the sum. AB, BC, CD, 3 consecutive sides of a polygon. So AB, BC, CD. We do not know how many sides are there in total. So we are just drawing 3 sides, AB, BC and CD. 3 consecutive sides. Angle BAC. BAC is right over here. This angle is 15 degrees. And they said it is a regular polygon. Regular polygon means what? I told you right in the start, you remember? All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Find each interior angle. Interior angle would be this entire or probably this B entire. So how will I get B? Then we look at the other two parts. Anyone, any clue? Look at the diagram carefully, you will get the answer. So you will say regular polygon, therefore angle side AB equals to BC. Therefore triangle ABC is an dash triangle. Tell me what? Isosceles triangle. And therefore angle BAC equals to BCA equals to 15 degrees. So this also becomes 15. Since both are 15, can I find the third angle easily now? So therefore angle ABC becomes 180 minus 15 minus 15. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property. Please write the entire thing, I don't have place. So therefore angle ABC will become 150 and therefore each interior angle 150 degrees. So we managed to find each interior angle. That is the first part. Do you understand now how to get the interior? How will you get the exterior? So do you remember any property? Interior plus exterior 180. You got your interior right now. Can you get the exterior easily using this? 100% we can. So we'll say therefore interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180. So 150 plus exterior angle 180. So therefore exterior angle becomes 30 degrees. So we managed to get the exterior angle also. That's the second part. What about the third part? Number of sides. So number of sides, you got two methods. One, take all interior angles and divide by n, or take all exterior angles 360 by n. Obviously the second one is easier, so try that one. So you will say number of sides is what we are trying to calculate. So 360. See, you will say this way, each exterior angle 360 upon n. You already know each exterior angle as 30, 360 by n goes up. So I get my number of sides as 12 sides. Did you manage to get this now? Was this simple? Everyone getting this? Are you with me? Are you copying? Yes, if you're saying yes to everybody, you are a cheater. Because you should not copy. Sum number 9, come on, try it. It says exterior angle ratio interior angle 2:3. Ratio dekha, what should be the bell in your head? Let the common multiple be x. That should be the first starting point. Let the common multiple be x. Therefore exterior angle will be 2x and interior angle will be 3x. Using these two, what can I use? Right now we just use this. Yes, interior angle plus exterior angle together is 180. So interior angle is how much? 2x. Exterior angle 3x. So 5x. So x becomes how much? 5 3s are 15, 36. I managed to get x. My target is number of sides. How will I get number of sides? So right now we did that. Number of sides find करने के लिए exterior equals to 360 upon n. So you can first find your number of each exterior angle, which is 2x. So first find exterior angle and then find number of sides, or find interior angle and use the bigger formula and find number of sides, whatever you want to. So therefore exterior angle is 2x, so 2 into 36, which becomes 72. So exterior angle equals 360 upon n. So 72 360 by n. So n is 360 by 72, 36 ones are 2s are 1s are 5s are. So therefore number of sides is equal to 5 sides. Simple? Easy? Are you with me? How many of you all copying yet? Besharam you all are, man. Stop laughing. Come on, sum number 10. Begin. 10 is a slightly technical question. Put a star besides it and please follow the way I am telling you. Later on you can get into it. difference between, so difference means minus, n minus 1 side for regular polygon, and an exterior angle of n plus 2 sided regular polygon is 6 degrees. Exterior angle ka difference between two polygons. So exterior angle, the first one. How will I get the exterior angle? So 360 upon number of sides. How many number of sides? N minus 1. So 360 upon n minus 1. Difference means minus. How will I get the second exterior angle? So 360 by number of sides again, and the difference is 6. Did you manage to get this? Yeah, this is a good question. Now divide each by 360. You remember we used to use it in simultaneous equations. So dividing by 360, dividing by 360, and what will I get? 1 upon n minus 1, 1 upon n plus 2, 1 upon 60. Cross multiply. So n plus 2 minus n plus 1. Don't forget that this minus should affect both. This is where if you have gone wrong at the end of the answer and you come back, you must have gone wrong here. You must have written this minus. Check it. Multiply. So n square minus 2n, plus 2n minus 1 minus 2. 1 by 60 gets cancelled. So 3 into 60, so 180. N square plus n minus 2. So I get a quadratic equation. You'll have to take factors of 182. So 291, 91. So that will be 7 into 13. And 13 ones are. So basically 7 twos are 14 and 13 to get me 1. That should be my factors. So n square 14n minus 13n minus 182 0. So n becomes negative 14 or 13. So number of sides cannot be negative. So therefore number of sides are 13. So how will you write your closing statement? Since number of sides cannot be negative, therefore number of sides equals to 13 sides. Clear everybody? Was this fun? Did you enjoy it? Okay, let's go with the next question, the last question of the exercise. At least this one try on your own with all your might and effort. 11th. Two alternate sides when produced meet at right angle. This first statement is very important. First side, second side, third side. They say two alternate sides. So first side, not this but the next one. These are alternate sides. When produced, meet at a right angle. That means they are meeting at point A, which is a right angle. So I am calling this as A, B. Oh, I already called this A. So C, D, E. Alright. Regular polygon again. That means all sides are equal. If these three sides are equal, automatically these two also will be equal. Your target is find each exterior angle. Did you understand the question first? Three sides, alternate sides when produced meet at A, which is a right angle. Okay, regular polygon, so sides equal, so these sides also equal. Your target is to find this one first, that is your interior angle, and using this then you exterior angle straight away you will get, and then using that we can find the number of sides. So how are you going to get this? So I already gave you the clue, these two are equal, so it becomes an isosceles triangle. So you first say regular polygon, therefore sides are equal, and then you say therefore directly AB equals AD. Directly say that. Therefore angle ABD equals to angle ADB equals to X. And then you directly say X plus 90 equals 180. This is 90. So I will get 2X as 90. So X as 45. And therefore I can say each exterior angle equals to 45. Clear? So we got each exterior angle. Now how will I get number of sides? So I will say number of sides directly 360 upon each exterior angle. So 1s are 8s are. So how many sides do you get? 8 sides. Did you enjoy? Good. Homework. Very little homework I am giving you. I want you to do sum number 2, 4 and 6. Because the rest of the sums from 7 onwards all I have done in this video, so you get the maximum advantage of the video.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience. with the Rough Book, our learning companion.